How are we? I hope good. I have had a slow start this morning. I've misplaced an item. I'm like, am I just getting really old or something? Because I swear it was literally on the floor the other day and now it's gone. And this isn't a insignificant item, so yeah, I feel like I'm losing my mind. So I must have moved it, but where I've moved it to, I'm at a loss. The Christmas chaos has definitely come to roost. So Starbucks cup of the day. I haven't really gotten much variety, I don't believe, in my to-go cups. So this is, I had a Starbucks Dash. I don't know if anybody knows what those are. Every so often they have these challenges in the app where if you order things or do what they say, basically they manipulate you to earn extra stars, and it's just a cash grab. Let's just be honest. So I had this special one where if you buy 4 things, you get like 100 bonus stars, and it's just the most random thing. So typically they're things that you buy, but they always throw in 1 or 2 things that you rarely get. And mine this week was like 4 of them. It's like a peppermint mocha, a peppermint white mocha, get them all the time, a cold brew throughout the summer all the time, but this time of the year not so much, and a pumpkin spice latte. I usually buy 1 or 2 pumpkin spice lattes a year, and then I'm over it. So it's like I get the first one when they first come out, and then I get another one usually Thanksgiving Day, because it's just, I don't know why. It's just something I do. And then I'm done. I'm over. I'm like, that is the line for pumpkin spice in my life. I'm no longer wanting it. So I kind of think it's funny that they were like, you must buy one. So they must think that I roll. I'm not that much of a pumpkin spice girly. I'm a mocha girly. I'm a hot cocoa chocolate girly. So they have a time and place, but they're not my favorite. I don't know why I had to go down that rabbit hole, but I was just surmising about that this morning, that, I get ordered to do these things and I follow suit like the little sheep that I am. Today is Swap Out Sunday, so we're going to be swapping out of the capacious Fendi peekaboo that we carried this week, which in general was not a bad carry, and I'll talk about that over there, but capacious is an understatement for the bag. So we'll chat about that, but I don't know what I want to carry this week. So I have to spend a little time kind of surmising about, I've been using that word a lot lately, surmising. I'm going to get out the dictionary. I need to find something else, something different, since I don't have to go anywhere in office. I do have to run errands and go to the DMV of all places this week. Something to go out and about, but not anything that need to get to the office. So, and no outings that I can remember off the top of my head. So nothing fancy at this point. Yeah, so I think it's just a workhorse bag that I need for the week. So anyway, we will get to that and swap out the goodies. And if I have a moment, I will wrap it up at the end. Otherwise, I'll probably just gab over there for the usual, and then you'll see us for ad break colors at the end, like we always do. So it's going to be a rather chill Sunday and start to the week. I feel so bad because it looks so sad, but it truly is. It truly is a really beautiful bag. It's just so floppy. I need to get the inserts. But what I did think about this week was that I think I need to keep it hung up instead for its storage. So I'm going to move it into, it won't go here. I have closet space over here that I hang some of my bags, so I will have it on a hook, but still stuffed. But yes, so the Fendi bag was a lovely carry as per usual. I think the only thing that could make it any better, because it's such a large bag and heavy, because I don't do shoulder bags, is to get a crossbody strap. But other than that, she was fine. So let's take out all of the accessories that we carried this week. Leave that. Good God, what don't I have in this bag? Trash. Trash. Leave that in there. Oh, and I went to Ulta. That was what that was. I was able to try out the 3 Murakami scents, and that is the yellow. I have the pink and the green in the other sticks in the other room. But yeah, so let me restuff the bag. And the other reason why I wanted to keep it upright like that, so because it's so squishy and floppy, I'm just worried that keeping it up on the shelf up there may cause some undue wear to the leather. I want to keep it kind of straight, minimize any corner wear and the like, because I think I did do some wear and tear on it this week while I was carrying it, because I'm not precious with my bags. I just throw them around into the seat. I'm just not one of those careful girls. So yeah, so we're gonna hang it, stuff it, all the things, put it away, and find a new bag for this week. I will be right back. I thought I'd come back real quick before I put it away. So I talked about these bag hangers and then how I'll hang them up and then wrap the dust bag around them. So basically it's just this tiny little opening. I make sure to cinch the closure as much as possible. So that, I mean, sure that there's some dust that could possibly get in there, but it's minuscule. So it will hang in the closet and stay relatively, I guess, safe. We're back. And I know I've worn this year, but it's been quite some time. And I just was in the mood to put it on. This is the Reed Krakoff Atlantique in black with natural vachetta across the top here with a patent accent mini pooch, and luggage tag here on the top. There's the Reed logo there. This one I got off of Poshmark, and it did not come with a crossbody strap, although it does have hooks for it. I probably will grab my Ralph Lauren crossbody strap that I got with my RL50, or the one that I bought from Amazon from my Ricky. It would go very well with this leather, so I'm gonna grab that at some point, but for now it'll work as is. This is a small but mighty bag. It has 2 slip compartments here, a large zip right there, but considering it's small, it is quite spacious. So the slip pocket on the front with the pouch, like I mentioned. There's these side pockets that, I mean, are useful, but I can't get really a lot in there. So it's really like, I mean, if you had a really small phone, maybe. I mean, a regular iPhone probably could get in there, but my phone cannot get in there. Keys, a Clay could get in there, but I put everything in the middle. So that's not, I might slip my phone here. It would fit here, but I would just go inside for all of my stuff, but I'm on my phone right now, so I can't show you that. I will take all of the stuff I carried last week, which is the carry-all with all of my lip products, etc., pens, my typical wallet, which is the insert from the Felici, my small key pouch, and then I've got some documents I need to have with me for my appointment at the DMV, and there we go. Everything fits in beautifully. Very lovely. If you go that way, you see the vachetta. If you go this way, you see the patent. Anyway, we'll do that. Yeah, so this will be the bag of the week. So relatively quick swap out. I kind of want to put a bag charm on. What do I want to put on? I have my little one from the get together. Something could be fun. Let me look through my bag charms and see what I might want to add. I'll be right back. Okay, I thought it would be kind of fun to put a bandeau on there. I was gonna do this year's, but it seemed a little too light, so I grabbed last year's that I picked up with the red and the monogram. So I think it looks a little bit, I need to tie it up a little bit better, but I think it looks nicer than for this particular bag than this year's bandeau. So this is the accessory to go with the Atlantique this time. Ladies, what time is it?
Can't see your mom. It's advent calendar time.
Exactly.
They didn't want to say it.
It's okay.
Why didn't you want to say it, huh?
You're not behaving.
All right, we'll start with the old holo taco.
Oh yes.
Holo taco. We had a lovely glass nail file that's all black and silver yesterday. So now we should get a nail color here in day 2.
I'm guessing that the house on the outside is the nail polish color. That's I'm surmising. They all have
they are, aren't they?
Different colors, but I might be wrong. I'm guessing. I'm hoping I'm getting.
Open it up.
I'm like,
Where does it?
she was
There.
a sly little devil and did it that way.
That Christine.
Or I'm wrong. I am wrong.
It's black.
It's black? It looks blue to me.
Silent Night.
It looks blue.
Is it? Okay, yeah, you're right.
It's like midnight blue.
It's a very dark blue, yes, and it's called Silent Night.
All right, I'm completely wrong. Look at her just throwing me for a loop.
Oh, Christine,
I
you
was so
devil.
excited.
Okay. There
That'll
we
be
go.
fun.
Okay, on to tea.
Report on the tea.
Oh, right. Blueberry muffin was a herbal, not an actual tea. And it was pretty good, but I think I prefer Tiesta's Blueberry Wild Child as my blueberry herbal of choice. But it was not good, not bad. I mean, it was good. Yeah,
That was
not
my
good enough
opinion.
that I'd go out and buy it. But where are we now? Oh wait, no, that was yesterday.
14. Yeah, the new advent calendar are throwing us
we go.
off because
Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. 12.
12 plus
2. Yes. Okay. Here we go. This one's called Vanilla Cappuccino. And it's a black tea.
that could be
Okay.
fun.
Let's have a sniff. It's definitely vanilla. Kind of coffee
Oh, I can
tasting
smell the
too.
coffee. Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. That's kind of just strange to have tea that smells like coffee.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll find out tomorrow when I drink it. I'm not gonna make that tonight. 14 on the Seas Candy. There it is. What do we got? Oh, it's long. It's like a graham cracker or something, or
I don't know.
I don't know. It's long. It's like 3 times the size of your usual.
It's like a Twinkie.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll set that one aside.
You can share it.
Oh, all right.
That's a massive candy.
All right. Now we're playing. Oh wait, I shouldn't sing that song. I might get you demonetized. 2. 2. Where's 2?
Bottom right.
There it is. Okay.
Hey, mamas.
Yes.
Ooh, it's a square one, so it's a candle.
Jasmine milk, it seems to say. Now it'll come out. G5 jasmine milk.
I think I already got a whiff of that. Oh, that's pretty.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Wow.
All right. Let's set that there. Okay, which takes us along to the dog calendars. Number 14 for Bark. There it is. It's not a cookie.
Cookie time.
It's a frosted cookie. It's the frosted cookie that looks like a reindeer. Although I confused it with a dog before.
Maybe it is a dog.
Yeah.
Maybe I was just wrong.
Yeah, I gotta... All the other ones are Christmas themed, so I don't see why this would be a dog. It's probably supposed to be a reindeer. All right. I should go cut this with a knife instead of trying to break it. Here it goes.
I'll probably chase you into the other room.
The 3 pieces, and all I did was I cut it right there, and it busted into the 3.
It sounds like a Mickey Mouse.
Here you go, buddy. Want the cookie?
Cookie.
Cookie? There you go. Sure,
Good
you want the
boy, Bubba.
cookie. There's one for the puppy. There's one for the pickle pup. Give me a pickle pup. There you go.
Cookie.
All right. I'll set that
Careful.
aside. I guess I'll go ahead and pull my candy while they're going at the cookies. Hey, puppy, is that your cookie over there? Number 14.
Bamboo just ate it.
Well,
I guess you shouldn't snooze, you lose type of situation there.
Okay, it looks like we got a dark chocolate. It's not quite like the caramel Lannisters before, but
That's a thick one.
yeah. What are you? Dark
Is
chocolate.
that the salted caramel one?
It must be. It's a salted caramel Lannister. Okay.
Delicious.
All right. On to the chickens. Okay.
Ruby really likes that one. He's like
Blip.
trying to find pickles. Like, what other one can I steal?
You like that cookie, huh?
Delicious, Bubba?
How about a bit of chicken? Yum, yum, yum.
Pickle.
Pickles.
Where you at?
Pickles, pup. Oh, she's still eating the cookie. You finished the cookie? There you go. All right, you got aced out of your cookie, so you got an extra piece of chicken.
All right. So that wraps up Sunday and starting the new week. I'm tired. All right. Well, we'll see you tomorrow for a brand new Manny Monday. It's time to redo. I've already, like, one of the nails has fallen off. It's time to redo these and see what we're going to pick out. Maybe we'll do
Silent Night.
Silent Night. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I'm in the mood for. It kind of sounds fun.
You can even buff your nails with the new glass nail file.
Oh, I have several other ones. So I'll just grab one of those. All right. Have a good one.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Counting down. So in this Christmas time